In today's video, I'll show you how to add any Steam game to the Start menu on your PC in Windows 10 or 11. Let's get into the method. This will work even after you've installed the game, even if you didn't choose to create a Start menu shortcut during installation, and the second method we'll cover should work for all games. Firstly, we can check a quick method, open the Start menu, and search for the game you want to add. If it appears, simply right-click on it and choose Pin to Start. If that didn't work, we'll move on to the next method. Open Steam, and then find the game you want the shortcut for in your Steam library. Right-click on the game here, and hover over Manage. Then click on Add Desktop Shortcut. We'll use this shortcut to pin it to the Start menu. Next, press the Windows key and the letter R key at the same time to open the Run box. In here, type in shell:/programs, and then select OK. This will open your Start menu folder, and you can drag and drop the desktop shortcut into the folder called Steam if you have one. If you don't see this, don't worry. You can either create a folder called Steam, or just place the shortcut into this main folder. If you want, you can now delete the desktop shortcut from your desktop. Now all you need to do is search for the game again in the Start menu search bar, and it should appear in the list now for you to right-click on and choose Pin to Start. If there's no app icon showing or it's a blank white icon, then click the card or follow the link in the description for my method on how to fix that. You'll need to do that step before pasting the shortcut into the Start menu folder. That's how to add any Steam game to the Start menu on your PC in Windows 10 or 11. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like, and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.